It was a foul ball, Judah. Give him a couple more pitches. Or Judah, don't take that one from her. There you go, Levi. Oh, Levi, wait, wait. Don't swing while Maggie's there. Get Levi, get ready. Here comes a pitch. Oh, Maggie's bringing you on. Say thank you. Hold on, Judah. Wait, wait, wait. Wait for Levi to get ready. Go ahead, Judah. Throw a good pitch. Oh, nice one. Foul ball. Here, Judah. Can you take it to... Oh, thank you, Maggie. Thank you, Maggie. All right, throw them out there to Judah. You ready, Levi? It's all right. You can have a home plate right there. Hop up, Levi.